So just be careful when you're looking for the stars.
You can stop the trial at any point by saying I'm a celebrity. You have to be able to stop the trial, and you don't have to do it. Of course, you can go back to camp, you can refuse, but of course you'll go home empty-handed. Yeah. What do you reckon, Dom?
Well, what do you think? I'm going to do it, but...
Will you give it a go?
Yeah, I think I'm going to give it a go, but it's not what I was hoping for, I'll be honest with you. Pretty honest with you, lads.
No, it's kind of backfired, isn't it?
So smug. No, not you.
Just, I cannot believe you've got him trained like a dog.
Let's have a look then at the first clue.
Right.
That's insane.
Ready? This is on the side. In the greenhouse, I think you mean.
Supposed to be Devon.
The box. I think so.
Sorry, Devon.
Hey, hold on, about 30 seconds. Still to come. Dom gets dirty.
Right, come on. Get to the sun. And the girls get pumped.
Come on, little sunny spring, little sunny spring.
Come on.
Our mums are stars.
Perfect.
Iceland sponsors I'm a Celebrity.
At Currys now, up to 25% off selected Hotpoint large kitchen appliances. This large 7kg capacity Hotpoint washing machine can wash 7 outfits in one load. Now only $249. This Nephros chest freezer is under £100. Just right for storing your Christmas goodies. And £40 off while stocks last. We've up to half-price coffee machines like this ultra-stylish DeLonghi with 15-bar pressure in 3 great colours for just £79. Half price. Great gifts, great savings at Currys now.
At Zurich, we know how much you mean to your loved ones. Who their flying instructor, their biggest fan, their favourite teacher. Well, sometimes.
Is that little puss?
Forever. That's why we created Zurich Help to deliver life insurance to help protect you and your loved ones. Zurich Help when it matters most.